In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Steam's pop-up ads and other relaunch pop-ups. If you're tired of the what's new window or those promotional cards appearing every time you reopen Steam, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them while keeping your games and downloads working exactly as they should. Start by opening the Steam desktop app and look to the very top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click it to open the main application menu. This is where Steam keeps all of its global options and preferences, so anytime you need to configure the app's behavior, this is your starting point. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the control center for Steam's features, appearance, notifications, and more. Don't worry, everything we're doing here is reversible, and you won't be turning off game updates or anything critical. We're just adjusting how Steam talks to you when it starts up. Inside Settings, go to the Interface section. Interface is where Steam groups options that affect how the app looks and what it shows when it launches. The pop-up ads and relaunch panels you're seeing are connected to Steam's What's New style announcements, which surface changes and additions tied to games in your library. Now, find the option labeled Notify Me about additions or changes to my games. This is the key setting responsible for those relaunch pop-ups. When it's on, Steam will open a window after you start the app to highlight updates, events, and other promotional content related to your games. It can be helpful if you want those reminders, but it can also feel like an ad or interruption when you just want to jump into your library. Click the slider to turn it off. When the toggle is disabled, Steam stops launching that extra window on startup. The change takes effect immediately, and Steam typically saves this automatically. No additional confirmation is needed. You'll still get your patches and downloads in the background, and you can always check news or updates manually from a game's store page or community hub whenever you want. This simply prevents the automatic pop-ups from grabbing your attention when the app relaunches. That's it. The next time you open Steam, you should land directly in your library or wherever you left off, without that relaunch pop-up in your face. If you ever miss the update summaries, just come back to the same interface setting and toggle it back on. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, quieter Steam experience.